Point the pen, concentrate, write. Economic development is no doubt necessary, but it is not an end in itself. Stop. There should be an absolute assurance that social justice is built into it. Stop. At no time in the history of international relations has the concept of the Philadelphia Charter poverty anywhere constitutes a danger to prosperity everywhere been more appropriate than it is today. Stop. No longer is the isolationist policy of competing nationalisms considered an ideal. Stop. Political or economic disturbances in one area are bound to create far reaching repercussions in other parts of the world. Stop. The developed countries have realized that if they are to enjoy the fruits of progress, it is essential for the whole world to unite and work in close cooperation with one another. Stop. It has now been recognized that nations do not and cannot live alone by themselves but only as parts of one world. Stop. It is universal peace achieved through the contentment of the masses that has come to be the ideal. Stop. It is significant that whereas the League of Nations and other international agencies have either failed to bring positive results or could not stand the onslaught of the Second World War, the ILO alone has survived and in spite of many vicissitudes achieved remarkable results. Stop. This is mainly due to its tripartite character, the democratic arrangement of having employers, workers, and representatives of the government sitting at a common table, engaged continuously in a dialogue, trying to sort out problems and difficulties through mutual discussions. Stop. This is the basis of the organization that has contributed to its strength and continues to sustain it. Stop. Even though the forms of government in various member states have been changing from time to time, their main objective is universal peace and plenty. Stop. Some of the fundamental objectives in the establishment of the International Labour Organization were the promotion of international cooperation and the achievement of international peace and security. Stop. This has contributed to the institutions functioning unimpaired, for the goals have been acceptable to all countries, whatever political ideology they might follow. Stop. The objects of the ILO are set forth in the preamble to its constitution, according to which peace could be maintained only if it is based on social justice. Stop. Obviously, this could be achieved by regulation of hours of work, prevention of unemployment, provision of an adequate living wage, social security and social insurance benefits, equal pay for equal work without any discrimination, and the recognition of the principle of freedom of association. Full stop.